had to get one of these. They are actually really lightweight, very easy to handle. I've got it plugged in to my USB in the van, so it stays fully charged. You can fit it right down in your drink holder. The lid just pops off, and it's got 2 settings. The first setting is low. You just press the button. The second setting is high, and the third is off. It's got pretty good suction. So far it's been great. I love it, and it's got this little cover that goes over it and it locks back on, and then you just set it in your cup holder until it's charged, and then you can fit it in your glove box. Really cool to have for when you have people in the car and they get things, you know, spill things or whatever, but it's pretty cool to show them. They've loved it so far, so I would highly recommend it.
Vacuum. Gorgeous. Without the lid on. One setting. 2. And done. The attachments. Here's one. Also comes with the little charger and instructions.